Today, Monday, I am supposed to meet a friend of mine, a classmate, KRV Subramaniam, Ravi, in front of Metro Cinema in Esplanade. After almost 4 years, I am going to meet him. So I am off now. I will be taking a metro. I'll be taking the tube to metro. I am on Satan Avenue now, proceeding towards SB Harry Mode. And what you see is the old Indian Bank, the first Indian Bank Baliganj branch, above which Mr. Mahadevan, the manager, used to live. This is Satan Avenue. And this is Navanalanda School. And that used to be the Eveland Nursing Home. Because of some scandal, they have closed down that Eveland Nursing Home. And this is NG Nursing Home on Satan Avenue. Many old people will not know this place. And this is this yellow building. There used to be an old building here where we used to have Balavihar when we were kids. The Balavihar used to be conducted here at this place, where this Avani Residency is a new building. All these are new buildings here on Satan Avenue. I am approaching Tollygunge PS junction of Satan Avenue and SP Mukherjee Road. This is Satan Avenue, SP Mukherjee Road crossing. Tollygunge PS bus stop. Tollygunge PS bus stop. We used to come here at 9 AM every morning to catch a double-decker trailer bus from Gold Park to Dalhousie. That used to come full, and most of the passengers were regular passengers. I used to get up from here. And that is Tollygunge police station. And this is the junction. The road going to the left goes to Tollygunge, and going straight to SB Harry Mode, and you have to catch the metro there. This used to be the Kiran Bala Shishu Bhavan, a school for kids. There is Tollygunge PS, and behind that is Ajmal Khan Road and Pratapaditya Road. You see air-conditioned battery bus, electric bus. This is Sadda Sankar Road crossing. And this is the building of Baldev Das Bajoria. They used to call him the Jute Baron of Calcutta. This is Muktangan Drama Theatre. Muktangan Drama Theatre. And this building, there used to be a Tamil family long time back. And the opposite road is where we have this Andhra Association present school is there. So many trees you cannot see properly. This is Muktangan Drama Theatre, all in shambles now. because of COVID. a new building. This is Rajbihari Mode. You see this corner. There used to be a national lodge run by South Indian Mr. Rao. National Lodge. He used to have a restaurant on Strand Road. If you remember, near Netaji Subhas Road, Strand Road, the junction. This is Rajbihari Mode crossing. I'm going to enter the metro station. Now we have metros all the way to Dakshineshwar. Coming out of Esplanade Metro. This is the new escalator they have made. Earlier, this portion there was no escalator. And we're going to Metro Cinema now. That is the famous KC Das. You can see that KC Das there. Esplanade. That is CESC building. That is Metro Cinema, and the by side of it is Hindustan Buildings. So many of us have seen so many movies in this place, theatre. See a huge building behind the metro. Now the theatre, they have kept the front portion for heritage, and this is the famous Metro Gully, where you will get cheated for all foreign goods. Now I have to meet my friend Ravi here. This was the entrance to metro. Remember, we used to buy tickets here in black for English movies. During our time, only English movies were shown on metro. The busy Esplanade. There used to be a South Indian restaurant here on the ground floor, and again one on the first floor, Kamala Vilas, inside that metro gully. Metro Cinema. My friend has not yet come. This is the palatial Hindustan building, LIC. See the massive building they have made behind metro. That used to be the Metro Theatre property. You see Hindustan building. This is CESC office, Calcutta Electric Supply Corporation. The Britishers handed it over to R.P. Goenka Group. We are reaching Dharamtala Road, Dharamtala Street Junction. That is CESC building. We are crossing the road. As usual, a big mess here. And that is KC Das. This is my friend Ravi. Moscow. My friend KRV Subramanian. I'll be meeting him today. He used to stay in Raja Basantarai Road next to my house. Walking on the east. Super daddy.
ICICI account number.
Street is Raj Bhavan. Going to have Bhader Cha. Okay. 2 tea, beautiful tea for 12 rupees, 6 rupees each. You have to give the correct change. Next stop is Chittodas Dukan for Gugni. This is Peerless Bhavan. And next was the Esplanade Mansions, where we used to buy tickets standing in line during our childhood days. Yes. This is Chittodas Dukan, Deckers Lane, where there is a cooperative store, South Indian, Tamil Nadu cooperative stores is there. And then we will get Chittodas Gugni here. This is Chittodas, famous Chittobabur Dukan. Toast. একটা toast দিয়ে দাও। Stacks and stacks of toast, ready to be hogged in. Nothing like a toast and gugni. This is the Metro Bar. This is the Metropole Bar and Restaurant. And this used to be the South Indian Bank. Now it has become Chandini Bar. My friend Srinivasan used to work here, South Indian Bank. We have come so many times here. Deckers Lane. This is the Cooptex of Tamil Nadu. There used to be one on Rashbihari Avenue near Swarna School and one here. Cooptex. Nothing is written in Tamil. It's all written in Bengali only.
ভালো আছো? আমার বন্ধু এইসব ভিডিও এই চলছে, এই কিন্তু ওই ভিডিও করে না, আমাদের ওদের ভিডিওর একটা গ্রুপ আছে, এক্স ক্যালকাটা, ফেস নেই। এই তো নীলা তোমার দিল্লি ছিল তখন। না প্রিন্টেড কি? প্রিন্টেড না, ওই এই করে number and
This is Saraswati Stores shop, their main shop here. They keep kumudam and all. Hey, Saukima,
வரான்னு சொல்லுங்க.
வந்திருக்கா குமுதம்? ஒரு காலத்தில் 2000 பீஸ் வந்துட்டு இருந்தது, இப்போ 200 பீஸ் வருதா? 20 பீஸ்.
அவ்வளோதானே?
2-0 ஆஃப் ஆகிடுது பாருங்க.
அன்னைக்கு குட்டி கிருஷ்ணன் கடையில் போயிருந்தேன், அவன் சொல்லிட்டு தான் ஒரு வாரத்துக்கு 300 குமுதம் போகும் குட்டி கிருஷ்ணன் இருக்கிறது. இப்போ அவனோட பேரன் தானே அது,
பையன்
பையன் இல்லையா?
These are all old buildings in the Dalhousie area. Now we will be coming to Dalhousie area. Government Place. It's called Government Place East. This is the Raj Bhavan, the governor's bungalow. And this side is our Esplanade Mansion. This is Esplanade Mansion where we come for booking our railway tickets with the concession form signed by our headmaster. And this is UBI building, and after that is waiting for the signal to clear to go to the other side.
United.
This is the entrance to the Raj Bhavan, and this is the famous Hindustan building, Esplanade Mansions, where we used to come for booking our tickets. This is the Raj Bhavan. Concession form kai veithu kottu meduvom. The Raj Bhavan, and behind that you can see is the High Court building, the Raj Bhavan entrance. The majestic Esplanade Mansions, and then the old tram depot, Esplanade tram depot. This is the Esplanade crossing. Buses from our side, South Calcutta, used to come this way, take a round turn and go via this all the way to Dalhousie during our younger days. This is Esplanade, that is the Shahid Minar. That is Hotel Fearless Inn, which earlier was Ritz Continental. Now I am walking on the footpath at the side of Raj Bhavan. Named Dr. Loni Monument. This is that 72-story building on Chowringhee Road next to Tata Center. Raj Bhavan. Raj Bhavan inside. Raj Bhavan, Calcutta. This is the stadium. Next to the stadium we have All India Radio, Akashvani Bhavan. All India Radio. The road on the left goes to Strand Road via Assembly House.
ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಫುಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿ ಪಿ ಎಮ್ದ
Ama, the Assembly House. The Assembly House. Eden Gardens inside.
આજે કાજના હતા.
The new High Court building. Now we have two stadiums here. One is Khudiram Stadium, another is Netaji Indoor Stadium. This is the Netaji Indoor Stadium. And on the left is Khudiram Stadium. This is Netaji Indoor Stadium. And this is Khudiram Stadium. This is Khudiram Stadium. And this is the High Court, and this is Khudiram's statue.
வினை கர்மா இதை நம்ம ஒன்றும் மாற்ற முடியாது. ஹனுமானுக்கு ஏதோ ஒரு சனி ஏதோ வந்துதாண்டா.
This is Babu Ghat, the famous Babu Ghat. Rani Rashmani built this. I'm crossing this is Strand Road. This is Strand Road, and this is a private bus stand. All the bus to Bihar, Orissa, UP, they all start from here. This is the famous Rani Rashmani built this. This was built in 1830. Babu Rajchandar Das shall hereafter be called Babu Rajchandar Das Ghat, but we call it Babu Ghat. Very well, I'm photo taking. All pandas sitting here. On Mahalaya Tarpan Day and on any occasion, all these Brahmins, pandas will come out. None of them are wearing any Janau, Punal, they don't have any of them. New Howrah Bridge. The launch approaching. The Hooghly River. That side is Shibpur, Howrah. And that is the old Howrah Bridge. And the luxury launch. And that is the Howrah station. This is the State Bank of India building. That is a floating hotel, Flotel. That is the Secretariat building, the one with the big football on the top. Today we are not going by launch as we don't have time. We have to go, come back now.